Hello and welcome to Arm4 Creations. My name is Ashley and today I'm working on another shirt to add to my second shop, Arm4 Boutique. I'll be using Siser EasyWeed HTV for the material, so let's get started. So I've already cut my vinyl for the shirt on my Cricut Machine, so we can start weeding the design. So for the yellow part of this design, I could have saved a whole lot of vinyl by not attaching the yellow parts of the design when I was in Cricut Design Space. So normally it would make sense to do attach like I did with the black part of this design, but in the case it wasn't necessary for the yellow parts. Lesson learned. So now we're ready to weed the black vinyl for the shirt. Taking the shirt and placing it on my heat press. And I'm just going to add a big piece of parchment paper, or a Teflon sheet will work. I'm just placing it over the shirt and pressing it for 3 to 5 seconds just to get the moisture out. And the temperature on my heat press has already been set to 315 degrees. Next we're going to take the black vinyl and center it on the shirt. And we're going to add the parchment paper back on top. And I'm going to press it for 5 seconds, just long enough to get the vinyl to adhere to the shirt. So now we're ready to add the yellow vinyl to the shirt. And add the parchment paper back. And I'm going to press for the full 15 seconds. This is how the shirt turned out. So if you're ever interested in purchasing this shirt, it'll be available in my Etsy shop, Arm4 Boutique. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to be part of my growing crafty family. Have a good day.